This recipe is my take on a pork pie meets a sausage roll. Really gorgeous and the perfect addition to afternoon tea. First things first is the pastry. I'm going to be using my kMix today, fitted with the K-beater attachment. In goes my flour. Mix the flour and butter together until a fine sandy breadcrumb consistency is reached. To this, add a pinch of salt and 1 egg. Mix until a dough is formed. Once the pastry is made, wrap and chill until needed. Next up, my pork filling. For this sausage roll filling, in a mixing bowl, add the minced pork, cooked diced onion and celery, chopped thyme, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, fennel seeds, salt and pepper, and whole grain mustard. Mix all of these well. Take the rested pastry from the fridge, roll on a lightly floured work surface. Cut out 8 large discs and 8 smaller discs. They will be the base and the top of your pie and set to one side. Place the 8 small pastry discs onto a lined baking tray. Top with the pork pie filling, egg wash, and encase this with the larger pastry disc on top. Pinch the sides to seal. Egg wash and sprinkle with the mixed seeds. Place into the preheated oven set at 180 and this will bake for 25 minutes. So that's my fancy sausage rolls out of the oven. They smell amazing. These are absolutely delicious served warm like this, or even nicer served chilled the next day. They're also a gorgeous little lunchbox treat.